Oh yeah, countdown mode. All right. Good afternoon. Judy Allen here in San Antonio. I'm just doing a live impromptu because I just want to show you something before I cut it up. I'm working on doing paper share, and when we do paper share, we take the paper that we have, we divide it into fourths, and we share. And so we share the cost and so forth and so on. So that's what I'm working on this evening. But before I cut this beautiful paper, I wanted to show it to you because once I cut it up and send it off in the mail, I won't be able to show it to you until I get ready to display this suite. So let me go down the hands and show you what I'm talking about so you can see what I'm excited about. If I go around, oops, it says I got a query. I don't know what it means. It says a query, error performing query, whatever that means. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm not the techie person, and I'm not worried about it. I'm going to go down the hands anyway. So there. All right, in the book here, you have to put up the dog in the background too. So there's a suite called the Texture Chic, and this is very beautiful. And you see in the catalog, this is the new annual catalog that's just come out the May 3rd, and this is the suite that this paper comes in. And I'll pull it down so you can be sure to see it and all. But what I really want to show you is you'll see this later on because I'll have the set and we're gonna demo it. We're gonna make cards and all that kind of stuff. But the paper's here, the gold foil is here. I'm not gonna show you that right now, but I have to quarter that also. But when you come to the catalog, back here on page 134, it'll show you the different papers. But there's no way it captures the foil in the book, and I'll show you. There's just no way the book captures the foil. These are all the papers. I'm working on all the papers in this catalog. So you can see the picture, but it just doesn't really capture the foiled paper. I want to show you how pretty this is. And yes, I'm going to quarter it like this because that's the way it is when we do the paper share. But look at this paper. I want to show you where I cut it all up. So you get 2 sheets of each. Every sheet has this beautiful foil. I've gotten to the point if the paper has the word foil on it, I automatically buy it because I've never been able to tell it in the catalog. And then later on, I get uptight. It's like, I didn't get that paper. Or my daughter or my granddaughter says, you didn't get that paper? It's because I didn't. Look at it. Look at all that foil. And look how pretty it is on the back side, too. So many times it's really sort of hard to make a decision what side you're going to use when it's so pretty and you get 2 sheets of each. So you can use one side of each. But I just wanted to show you. I just wanted to jump on here live real quick and show you this beautiful paper. Looky there. Looky there. So there you go. That is my 5 minutes or less impromptu about this pretty paper that I wanted to share with you. You know what? Because it was a shearing moment. Johnny on the spot. It's like before I cut it up, I want you to see it whole before I cut it up into 6x6 squares. And you're thinking, well, it's just a 6x6. Well, this is a 12x12. You can make some very beautiful cards with the paper alone. Just telling you, putting it out there. All right, Judy Allen. It's all about right. It's all about creating, sharing, and giving. So I just shared with you. So there you go. All right. See you later on Wednesday.